Okay, let's make a checkbox within the worksheet. To make it, go to developer, and in control groups is insert, and one of the form control is checkmark. When you place your cursor, you can see the name of it, and click it, and you can just drag any area in here. So let's say, how about B2 to C3, and release it. Now you see the a checkbox in there, and actually you can place this one any place and adjust the size of it, right? So like this, just to place your cursor around it, and when your cursor shape change to this plus sign, plus arrows, and just moving around. When you click somewhere else, it only shows the check mark, and when you place your cursor there, it changed to this, so your cursor is changed, right, like that. So you can click it, but we didn't decide anything yet. So place your cursor there and right click, then it's go back to this way, and you can change anything. So go to format control. The first thing is control, and not always, but sometimes you can attach that checkbox with a cell. So right now, let's say A1, right? So click here and click the cell, then you can see A1 in there. Okay, and all alternate text, instead of checkbox, you can give any names on it, right? So in our lecture note, it suggests change message. Okay, good. And how about color and lines? In here, you can choose anything you want to fill in the lines. So in the fill, how about color? Okay, so let me choose green. And the line, put line or no line, just so let me put orange or something like that. And you can choose the thickness or the style or anything like that, right? Okay, then click OK, then you see checkbox like that. Okay, and of course by the right click, you can select that checkbox and change the size of it or position on the worksheet, whatever you want. Okay, then let me just see how does it work. Okay, so place your cursor and click on checkbox. You can see in here in A1 it changed some text disappears right there. When you click it, it disappears. Let me just increase a little bit. It says false. So right now, because this checkbox is assigned to that, it shows whether this checkbox is marked or not. So true, false means that. Okay, let's do a little bit more. Let's select B4, this one, and type in the commands in there like in our lecture note. So let me just copy and paste here. So this is if function. So if it satisfies A1, this one, and that is true, right, then it shows this sentence, and if it's not true, then it will show this sentence. Actually, that's the command. So hit enter. Now you see the sentence when this A1 is true, right? So if you click it, it's changed to false, and it shows some other, the second text, right? So technically, you can just hide this cell and let this sentence appears in some place, right? So that's how we can use this checkbox in there. To delete this checkbox, just right click on it and left click any place, then it's still selected, and click a delete key, then it will disappear.